Hey guys, so what's happening here is we're going to be thinking here about the partial product method. And what's cool about this is it's kind of like that area model that we just did, um, mixed with the traditional algorithm, which you may know or you may learn just kind of shortly. So what you'll find is that we have an example here of a two-digit by a two-digit number. So we've got 32 29s, right? We want to do 32 29 times and find out how much that is. So to do that using the partial product method, you're going to think about multiplying this 32 by all of the parts of the 29. So you're going to multiply it by the ones and you're going to multiply it by the tens, right? So the 9 and the 20. So to do that, you're going to say, okay, well, I'm going to take this 9. I'm going to start in the ones place value spot and I'm going to multiply that by what's above it. What happens to be above it right here is a 2. So I'm going to do 9 times 2. That's our 18. And we say, okay, well, we've done that. Woohoo! Now we're going to do our 9 times our 3. Not really a 3 though, right? It's really a 30 because it's in the tens place value spot. So you can see we do 9 times 30. Woohoo! So now what we want to make sure we do is we want to take the 20, right? We've done this 9 in the ones digit. We've done that multiplied by all of the different parts. So now what we're going to do is we're going to multiply the 20, this 2 or this 20 by all of the parts of the 32. So we're going to take the 2 and we're going to multiply it by everything in the ones place value spot. So 20 times 2, you can see here in green down here, gets you 40. Woohoo, we've multiplied it by that. And then we can say, okay, I'm going to take that 20 and I'm going to multiply it by the thing I haven't multiplied it by, which is 3. It's not a 3, it's really a 30. So we do 20 times 30. You can see down here in blue gets you 600. You can see that they're all stacked up here as we multiplied all of the different parts. We took the 9 times 2, the 9 times 30. We took the 20 times 2, the 20 times 30. When you add them all up, you end up getting your solution here of 928. So we're going to do one more example over here on the next page, and you can see that we have a new problem, still a two-digit by two-digit problem. So we're going to have 98 and we're going to multiply it by 12. And I'm going to keep that same orientation of stacking it up. So here we go. I'm going to do the ones digit, the digit in the ones, the 2 here. I'm going to multiply it by all of the parts of this 98. So I'm going to multiply it first by the 8 directly above it. So 2 times 8 gets us 16. That's a crazy equal sign, but we're just going to go with it. Woohoo, woohoo. Okay, so then over here we say, all right, check. We've checked it off with the pink. So then we're going to do 2 times 90. 2 times 9 with a 0. So I know 2 times 9 is 18. Add a 0 and we get 180. Okay, so then we can say, cool beans, we've multiplied the 2 by all of the parts of the 98. Now we're going to take the 1, not really a 1, it's really a 10, and we're going to multiply it by all of the parts of the 98. So I'm going to look here and I'm going to say, all right, 10, I'm going to multiply you by 8. All right, 10 times 8 gets us 80. Then I'm going to multiply it by the thing I haven't multiplied it by in the 98, which is the 90. So 10 times our 90. Do, 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 do. We know that 1 times 9 is 9 with 2 zeros. So then we have this nice little situation here where we have the partial products. We have the broken up bits. Partial, meaning a portion of, and product, meaning answer to a multiplication problem. So we have these 4 different products, right? So now I'm going to stack them up. I like to stack them in order of my 3 digits, 3 digits, 2 digit, 2-digit numbers. That way I can stay nice and tidy as I stack them and add them. So I say zeros plus 6, 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 1 is 17, 10 plus 1 is 11. So we end up using the partial product method, finding out that 98 times 12 gets us 1,176.